Alright, they present us with the exercise of calculating this expression. 3 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 4 plus 2 squared. All of this multiplied by 2 plus 3 minus 1 divided by 2. The result must be 81.
And we are going to check with Excel.
So, what we have to do is calculate an operation. So we are going to use the expression by means of the equal sign. We tell Excel that we are going to enter an expression, and we are even going to try and do it all in one little cell.
3 plus 6 divided by 2.
We already know that we have to enter 3 plus 6 in brackets in order to alter the order of execution. 3 plus 6 divided by 2, which will be what we have seen before. To this we will add 4 plus 2 squared. They tell us here that we have to use brackets to make sure the squared is applied to the result of the sum of 4 plus 2 and not only to the 2, which is what would happen if we did not use brackets. 4 plus 2 and we square it. We put the circumflex. 2, 4 plus 2. Since we are in edit mode, we can put a 4 here. So we have the first part, which is even in the algebraic notation, which is introduced between brackets. Logically, because here we have a plus and now we are going to put a sign by. And we want the plus to be actioned before the by. So essentially we have to put all of this between brackets. Here we add a second set of brackets and here we close these brackets. Okay. All of this is going to be actioned before the multiplication we added after. And we tell it to multiply it by 2 plus 3 minus 42, which we cannot write down without brackets, since we would make the same mistake that we have just seen and are familiar with. For this reason, after this by, we have to put a new open brackets now 2 plus 3 minus 1. I haven't made a mistake. I close the brackets and all of this divided by 2, okay. It might be the case that we think or doubt whether all of this fraction. If we have to close it between brackets, it would not be a problem if we did it like that. But in this case it is not necessary since this part of the expression is going to be actioned first. All of it is going to be multiplied by 2 plus 3 minus 1 and the result is going to be divided by 2, which is the same. Since in the multiplication and division, they are from the same family, and they have the commutative property, meaning it will not be problem. So when we hit intro, we should get the result they told us of 81.